Hey Bob, morning. So Pandora is about to take a non-skid. Right, everything is more or less set. See my painters. He has the yellow um, socks to represent. Alright. So they're gonna put on the painting suits and get ready. Let me just give you a walkthrough. Very short. So basically, some here just to do a quick run through. Here now it's approximately 7 a.m. Tuesday. I think it's the 22nd or the 23rd of August. Can't don't hit me for the date. But in a nutshell, this is it. Right? So a lot of masking. The boom was painted 2 days ago. Right? Okay, everything is uniform to the eyes.